participate, you are most welcome to do so. You don't need any special talents or to be a so-called initiate. You robe a magnificent consecrated temple or heaps of equipment. All you will need is to not be disturbed for about 20 minutes. The purpose of the exercise is to link in with the universal mind in order to draw benefits into your life. It is not dangerous, black magic, or unnatural in any way. Conversely, it could be extremely beneficial for all concerned. Perhaps I ought to start by briefly explaining what the universal mind is and what it can do. Each and every one of you has a subconscious mind, and this part of your mind is capable of creating around you all that you want and need. Some of the techniques for influencing the subconscious mind and getting it to respond to your wishes have already been discussed in previous articles. So, I will not discuss them again in any great detail. However, the magical way to control this power is by using the imagination and a language which the subconscious understands, namely symbology. The technique I will describe later fulfills all of these requirements and can be easily undertaken by anyone. Now, we all have a subconscious mind, and this mind is linked in with everything in creation and everybody else. It is important to think about this. The implications are enormous and explain many unsolved riddles such as past lives and telepathy. Through your subconscious, you are linked to everything and everybody. The entire concept is known as the universal mind. It is not something removed from you or unattainable, because you are all part of it. It stands to reason that if you are connected to everything and everybody, great things are possible through cooperation. The wonderful thing about the universal mind is that the normal human restrictive practices such as unwillingness, hatred and greed do not exist. To contact the universal mind is therefore to get the willing cooperation of the whole of creation and everyone in it. Again, think about this. The whole of creation will cooperate with you because of the power inherent in your subconscious mind. Whatever you ask will be given. All you have to do is to find the key which unlocks this doorway to power. This is not as difficult as you may think. To participate, all you have to do is to find somewhere quiet where you will not be disturbed for around 20 minutes. Before starting, have in mind what you want to bring into your life, be this better health, more money, a better job, whatever you like, but do think about this so that you are clear in your mind as to your desires. Remember that this is the universal mind that you are dealing with, and there are no limits, providing, of course, that you are not trying to affect someone else adversely. All such motivations should be left behind. Have whatever you wish, but don't have this at someone else's expense. On the night in question, prepare yourself by calming down and relaxing for a while. And if you like, light a candle and burn some incense. These things can only help. Slow down and get involved. Rushing about and doing this in a half-hearted way will invariably produce no results, so it's entirely up to you. If you want your desires to come true, then make some sacrifices and put some effort into this. At the appropriate time, settle down, breathe slowly, and gently relax for about 10 minutes. Have this tape in some convenient. Then switch it on and simply listen. That is all you have to do, is to sit back and listen. Here now is the narrative which on the day will help you open the door to your subconscious and to the universal mind. I presume that you are sitting comfortably and are quite relaxed. Keep in your mind your aims and an air of quiet expectation. Don't concern yourself with how, why, or when your desires will manifest as a physical fact. Trust your subconscious mind to do its work and find ways around every obstacle. Breathe slowly and gently and let yourself drift and relax. Feel yourself getting heavier and heavier. As you breathe in, you attract peace, harmony, and fulfillment. And as you breathe out, you let go of all of your problems. Concentrate on your breathing. In for peace and power, out for removing problems. Keep doing this for a while. The music will help. Now, there is nothing to do except listen and relax. The more you relax, the easier it will be. Power comes through peace and is only found in silence. So don't think or try to do anything. Simply relax. Let go and listen. All you have to do is listen. Just imagine all the power that there is in the universe and in nature. Planets and stars held in perfect balance by enormous forces. The tremendous power of the sun. The sheer abundance of nature. There is no lack, nor is there any shortage. You are part of all this. A child of the universe endowed with the abilities to create using your subconscious mind. And it is with this mind that you are going to reach out and allow universal power to help you achieve those things which cannot be achieved in normal ways. Through the power of your mind, in gentle peace, you are about to contact other creative minds, all drawing on the same abundant power. In front of you is a doorway, and as you reach out and touch it, it opens easily. Go through the door, and as you do, you find yourself in a beautiful, peaceful place where the colors are vivid and the scent of nature is so rich and relaxing. All around you are trees, flowers, shrubs, and you are standing on the most beautiful carpet of emerald green grass. Right in front of you is a path. No need to walk. Put yourself along it and gently. Very soon you come to a circle of 12 tall stones reaching high into the sky. Go into the circle, where right in the center you will see a pool with a fountain. Right in front of the pool there is a chalice, your chalice. Take hold of it and remember your desires. Now, reach out and let the waters of the fountain sit down by the pool and relax. You have drunk the waters of creation, and now something is about to happen, something magical. All around you, people are coming into the circle. They're all beginning to hold hands and form a continuous chain. You must do the same. Hold out your hands and join them. Now, look towards the fountain and see it begin to grow and shine with an ever-increasing light. Now it is time to leave. Walk out of the circle and back along the path. In front of you is the door. Touch it and it opens easily. Go through the door and you're back in your own world once more, carrying with you the knowledge that universal energy has been contacted and will inevitably respond. There is nothing else for you to do but await results. Do keep a positive frame of mind, and if negative thoughts, worries and uncertainties do arrive, simply remember that these things cannot now stand in the way of success unless you let them. Remember the journey, the fountain, the chalice, and the linking together with other willing souls. Results do not necessarily come suddenly or in the way in which you planned, but they do arrive if you are patient, positive, and keep an open and expectant mind. May success be truly yours.